People look at the church and they see the church as being fake. They don't live what they preach. That's how people in the world see the church. They don't see it as a place of healing, freedom. They see it as entertainment. They see it as a feel-good message, but they don't find real help there, real transformation there. That's how a lot of people are seeing the church. God is changing this around. God is making sure this change comes to bring about a whole different church, purified how he wants it. We are already in revival. So God has been doing this. God has been purifying his church, changing things around, restoring what has been lost in the Acts church. The power of God, healing, deliverance, the prophetic, the fivefold ministry, apostles, prophets, and true holiness and purity. So people in the world will look at the church and their perspective will be so different than what it is currently, than what it has been. They will see it's a spiritual hospital. It's a place to get help. They will see it's not hypocritical. They will see there's such love, truly love like they've never experienced. They will see purity and holiness there. What God is doing now is purifying his church, changing so much in the church, getting the impurities out. How he is doing this has to be from the leadership onward, leadership first, because that's God's way of equipping, building, feeding, maturing the believers. The leaders, they have to be pure. They have to be walking in holiness. What they have in their spirit, that is released. That is imparted. That is such a big, major part of this purity coming to the body of Christ.